Hi, and welcome to this 10-minute yoga flow, focusing on grounding, but from an upward position, as well as expanding and balancing. My name is Radiance, and I will be leading you through this flow today. We're gonna start with our hands at our chest. I want you to get firmly grounded into wherever you are, allowing yourself to have 10 toes on the ground, feeling the heaviness of yourself on the surface. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Giving yourself a soft gaze, or maybe you're closing your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. On each inhale, envision yourself as a tree growing your branches out even further towards the sky. And on each exhale, feel the breath coming in your mouth, lengthening itself all the way to the ground and down as roots in the ground, anchoring yourself. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely, feeling the stillness. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Rise your hands up to the sky. Maybe you're even pressing those elbows in. Inhale. Exhale, opening up as if the world is in your hands. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, open wide. Inhale, rise. Exhale, open wide. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fall forward into a nice forward fold. Allowing yourself to have a nice cha-cha slide here, bending one knee and the other. Shaking your head yes, and shaking it no. Inhale, I want you to halfway lift, reaching your shoulders back, your head forward, a nice 90-degree angle, feeling the lengthening in your hamstrings. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. We bring our hands all the way high to the sky. Exhale, leaning over towards the right. Inhale, middle. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, middle. Exhale, left. Inhale, middle, reach, reach, reach. I want you to take your hands, flip it out into a diamond, as you can see up top. So lengthen your neck and look up top. Take a big breath in. Open your mouth and let it out. As if you're breathing through the triangle. Inhale in. Exhale out. Or diamond. Inhale in. Exhale out. Bring your hands back into prayer, looking straight forward. Exhale, releasing your shoulders down to the ground. Now we're going to go through our seasons. As we do, we are firmly planted in the ground. We have expanded and opened up our chests. We rise with confidence. So here we're going to plant a seed. So taking your right leg, bringing it up, maybe you're twisting your ankle left and right, finding that balance. Taking a breath in, and on the exhale, bringing it down to your ankle. No matter where you are in your practice, everything starts with planting a seed. So we must plant the intention and the idea now. Take a big breath in. Exhale, release. We have entered a new season, so on the bottom, climb your tree to where it's good to you. Maybe you have your foot on your shin or your calf here. Maybe you use your hands to assist to even place it on your thigh. Maybe you even cross it in front of you, opening up your hips even more. Whatever you are in this season, go ahead and bloom on the bottom. Taking a big breath in. Exhale, releasing, softening. We have reached a new season as we take our time through each pose as we grow. So on your next inhale, reaching your hands out to blossom and bloom where you are in this space. Maybe your tree is nice and wide and bold and confident. Maybe your tree is nice and slender and classic. Whatever you choose, go there. Even if you want to give it a razzle dazzle by bringing your pinkies in. Maybe you want to choose a mudra that feels good to you, or maybe you want to stretch and dance, bringing some movement in it. Find where your bloom is. Just how we have individual fingerprints, so do trees. Take a nice breath in. Exhale, another season has changed. The leaves are falling, bringing your hands back to your heart. Take a big breath in. Exhale, we have approached a new season, a season of hibernating. So bringing that leg down. Maybe you're shaking out your legs here, feeling that sensation in your left hip. I want you to be acknowledged and aware of what has happened in that cycle. So bringing a nice inhale in, lifting your hands up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Letting your spine lengthen here. Take your hands, bringing them on the nape of your neck. Taking a breath in. Exhale, folding more, gently pressing yourself down. I want you to rock side to side as if you are twisting each elbow to meet the opposite knee. Bringing yourself down one more time, releasing your hands out. On your next inhale, roll up vertebrae by vertebrae, with your head being the last thing in. Taking a nice breath in, open your hands out to the side, your chest back, shoulders as magnets, head to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, releasing, clasping your hands in front, bringing them as forward, feeling that nice stretch. Inhale, we rise up, fixing your hands back in a prayer. Exhale, releasing down to the ground. Ooh, feel the yumminess, the hydration, the fluidity within your body. And guess what? We have another opportunity to be excellent. So let's plant another seed. I want you to take your inhale here. Exhale. Inhale your left leg into the air. Allow that ankle to have some recess. It's going to be working hard after this. And on your next exhale, when you feel right, go ahead and plant that seed, plant that intention. Landing yourself at the ground, your toes here, your belly button to your spine. Relax your shoulders, take a breath in and out. Another season has arrived. Go ahead and bloom on the bottom. And it's okay if one side may feel a bit different than the other. Just allow yourself to be there, acknowledge where it's at, knowing that with time, patience, and discipline, the seasons always change. Take a big breath in and out. Inhale, we bloom, our seasons has changed. So again, we expand, we rise, we take up space. Maybe we dance and we lengthen. Maybe we find some enjoyment, some creation, or maybe we're classic and this is okay for us. Wherever you are today, go ahead and find that freedom and that season for that tree. Maybe it's like the DC cherry blossoms and people come from all over to see you and your gifts and your passions. Just think about that. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale. Yes, coming back down. Sorry, the seasons have changed. So coming back into this natural posture. We're still blooming on the bottom. Big breath in. Exhale, releasing that foot down, giving yourself a nice shake. We're going to go through one cycle, and then we're going to close out and be prepared for the world, creating our service to the world. So inhale, arms up. Exhale, down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, we rise, hands all the way up high into the sky. Exhale, bringing your hands down to your heart, relaxing your shoulders. Thank you so much for flowing with me today, finding your roots and finding your grounding and balance in sometimes this world that is always shifting, always changing. But just like nature, once we really embrace change, we really flow with life. Have a beautiful day as you continue to flow and be in tune with yourself. My name is Radiance. Remember to stay hydrated.